नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपको हमारे चैनल में स्वागत है। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल यू टेक वर्ल्ड। Hello friends, welcome to my channel You and Tech World. In this video tutorial, I am explaining how to hide your subscriber count in your YouTube channel page. It is a very simple and easiest way to hide the subscriber list in your YouTube channel. By default, YouTube can provide this number of subscriber count in your channel will be displaying your all YouTube channel viewers by the step of your below the channel name. So it is very simple and easiest way to hide the subscriber list. If you don't want to show your counting numbers to others, you need to hide this setting. It is a very simple and easiest way. This setting is very simple. Just you need to log in with your YouTube studio and go to the channel setting and change the options. So how to hide these subscribers in your YouTube change? It is very simple. Let's move on the video. Before entering the video tutorial, if you are watching first time in our channel, you kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to choose all notification. You can get the regular video updates in your YouTube page as well as notification area. So let's move on the video. First of all, I am clicking on the Google Chrome and go to youtube.com, hit enter, and I'm going to show the my channel counting. UN Tech World channel is open and I am clicking this UN Tech World. Here you can see 1k subscribers are showing on my channel. So now I need to hide this subscriber count in my YouTube channel. How? This is the question. Today's chapter is this one, to how to hide the subscriber counting. So you need to go to your channel studio. So first of all, you need to sign in your account and I am entering the password. Once you sign it in, you can see the left side your videos. Click over the your videos, the studio page will be open. In left side pan you can see playlist and second last is the setting. Click on the setting. The setting page will be open. Here most valuable setting is available in the channel page. So click over the channel. You can see the basic info and you need to go the advanced setting. Once you need to click on the advanced setting, scroll over to subscriber count. Here you can see the subscriber count display the number of people subscribed to my channel. By default, YouTube is provided the display the number of pupils. So you don't want to show the subscriber count in other YouTube viewers. So simply uncheck the box and click to save. Once the setting is saved, your page is reloaded. Now you need to check this setting is effective or not affected on your YouTube channel. Ctrl+Shift+N to open the private incognito mode. I am entering the youtube.com. So I need to search my channel. So entering the channel name UN Tech World. Hit the enter. Page is open. Here UN Tech World is shown. So I am clicking that. You can see here the channel name is displayed but the counting numbers are not shown here. So this is the easiest way to hide your subscriber count in your YouTube page. So if you want to show the subscriber count again, you need to go the channel page of your studio, click on the setting, go to the channel and you can click over the advanced setting, scroll down to subscriber count, checkbox the display the number of people subscribed to my channel and click on the save. Now you need to go to your incognito page and reload the page. Here you can see the subscriber count is displayed. This video tutorial is very useful for you. So if you don't want to show the subscriber count in your channel, you need to click over the setting and go to advanced setting and change the checkbox to uncheck to hide your subscriber count. this is the end of today's video tutorial. If you have any kind of query, you may text me on our comment box. We will replying to your comments and queries. So thanks for watching. We will meet on our next video. For the time being, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.